The next type of formatting we're going to look at is font name, which is formatting font name. The default font in Excel is Calibri. The font name can be changed for both numbers and text. Now, why should you change font name in Excel? There are several reasons why you should change font name in Excel. One is to make the data easier to read. Another reason is for organization and consistency. Now, how can you change font name? To do that, simply select the range, then click font name in the drop-down menu. Then choose the name of the font you want to change to. There are several types of font name. We're going to look at that practically. Using this template, we have different font names here. Now remember that for formatting, you can use the ribbon or you can right-click. Now, this says change me to Arial. Let's first of all take a look at the different types of fonts we have. So, we have different names. If you scroll down here, you will see different names of fonts arranged alphabetically. However, we're going to be looking at just a few. You are free to explore more fonts you like. Now, let's start with this first one. So, change me to Arial. There's a font name called Arial. Now, we go to the ribbon. First, you have to highlight the cell. Now, click on the font. Now, this is the font we want to change it to. It's called Arial. Now, remember, we are doing the same thing for the numbers. So, simply select the cell, click on Arial, and you have it. So, both the text and the numbers have been changed to Arial. And when you click on the cell as well, you're going to see the current font name on the ribbon here. Now, let's try to select font name for two cells at the same time. Remember your drag and drop. Remember how you can select multiple cells by simply clicking on the first cell. Now, this is the highlight button. Now, you simply move to the next cell. Now, in this case, we're going to be using the font type from the ribbon. So, simply click here. Now, the question, it says, change me to Arial Black. Now, you click here and you select Arial Black. Notice that it has done the change for both column A and column B. Now try this yourself. Try to change all of this. Change this one to Times New Roman. Change this to Calibra. Change this to Elephant. Do the same thing for the numbers as well. Let's try for this Times New Roman so I can show you how you can search for font type. Now click on it. Click here. Simply type the name of the font you want here. Just here. Type Times New Roman. And then this is it. It has come up here. And then you click on it. So you can either scroll down, scroll from head to toe to locate the font you want, or you can simply use the search option here to look for the name of the font you want to change to. So, if you have something like this, then that's very great. You successfully changed this text to the different types of fonts written here.